talking about the Politricks, watch. This is Sir P. Should make a bad mind some more artists. This one look like a new artist. People have sent me one video. I watched about 30 seconds, 45 seconds out of it. I'm gonna have to stop because I'm never up on the BCC. It's the brain cell condom. Never want to take no serious damage. Dancehall, music, the tool that the machine used to really fear. Feared so much them go to them if you control it. Or them control the biggest artists them. Biggest record label them. Got them see the power of music, what you can do to people, what you can normalize. Effects it can have on society. Man, I got the course now Winnipeg tell us it's just words. Can't do nothing, can't make nobody do nothing, and the artist can't steer nobody no direction. But the same person tell us the artist can make people vote for him party. I think we have reached the point now where CVM and TVJ have to start show blues. That's how they right now. Might as well we just stop pretending. TVJ and CVM and I glean on them, Observer. When I look on this, the third and fourth page Observer, that just straight blues. But you have people pretending like Iron Man is no society of no quote-unquote God-fearing modesty. Let's be realistic yourself. A straight public hedonism. Remember in time, the hotel hedonism used to cause a stir. Well, now that hotel is Iron Man as a whole. People are saying, are you saying to me that there are hotels where people are walking around with no clothes and people just doing this and doing that and that in Iron Man and our churches and God and unicorn meat? Which God? Jamaicans don't believe in nothing but hype and excitement. But that is Iron Man right now, the public hedonism. And I have added a disclaimer. Just so people are aware. Enough time people talk about them topics and them talk about it from a position of, like a sanctimonious position, like they're on some kind of tall mountain, pontificating to the masses about piety and all of that. This is nothing like that. It's now nothing to do with piety and people should be nuns and monks and just sit down in one room and meditate all day. I'm very realistic. We know what thing goes, man. Love the female body. We love it. We can be honest with yourself, right? We love it. That's not the problem. That's not the problem. At all. Matter of fact, I'm on record stating, I don't know what Iron Man people have gone like say sex is not new or Jamaicans love sex more than anybody else. The way entertainers and Jamaicans talk about sex, I think it's something unique with only that Jamaica. You don't never know say people in Mongolia and Guzungung also rub a dub. You don't never know. Based on how Iron Man people go on, I guess you can stretch it to the Caribbean, hip hop right across the board. Let me tell you, them water down black culture, just basic primal instincts. Eat, sleep, breed, kill each other and repeat. That's all the culture has been reduced to. There's destruction and debauchery. Everybody loves sex now. Where the thing say, it only that Iron Man. The way Jamaican artists them go on. Them love talk about art, the art and the art. Well, these must be some of the laziest artists in the world because all of them are create the same art. And the art is basic and primitive. It's not even edgy anymore. Now it just look embarrassing. Now it's just embarrassing. I want you to understand, say quote unquote slap dancehall is nothing new. The only thing that changed with slap dancehall, there was dancehall, then it became slap dancehall, and that was shocking at first enough people. If you go back in the days and you see some true girl come boom flick, bam me body head, a long time dancehall. X-rated, But what has happened is a gradual escalation as to how far man carried. And people continuously push the boundaries. And by the way, in the future, you will see Sprite dancehall artists. You will see it. Them already take time start crack the door open. No pun intended. But them already start sneaking a little thing. So. But What I want to talk about this fact is it's not even risque anymore. No, it's just sad. One time when artists did them something, it was like risque and it was like, you know, like dibbling and dabbling on the edge of what you can stand. Oh, this is going to be X-rated, and no, them new youth, them just try too hard. It don't even come across. That's the best way we can describe it. Them try too hard. The youth in that video, where you see on the thumbnail, it's just sad, bro. It don't even sound like it's music anymore. It's just sad. It's like somebody just sitting and saying, I'm going to start saying, be outrageous things. You know, if it sound good, you know, if you have the melody, you know, if it just be outrageous things. Like, it's not even risky anymore. No, it's just sad. Because them try too hard. And to make things worse, them have this very demonic aura about them. This whole occultish thing. One time Tommy Lee first touched on the scene. And people that say, yo, what kind of vibe this? A man say, yo, it's just entertainment, dog. It's like gothic dancehall. I say, man, I say, dog, I just treat your thing old and lame. I say, man, I say, dog, boom. Well, it'll get harder and harder for you to look on. Much less listen to. You have to have on a BCC. After have on a BCC. The music, not just the message in italic, but this whole occultish vibes that them come with. And they can't tell me that these people are not agents of death. I say everybody loves sex, you know. Even the woman them you see from Mongolia in the Olympics, the nice dressed and look at them can't hurt ants. Them love right body too, you know. And the Mongolian man love needle light too, you know. But you never know, cause whenever you think about death, destruction and debauchery, the image that come to your mind is a black man and a black woman. They've reduced, especially the black woman, to nothing more than a whole. I'm telling you, say it go on to have bigger impacts in the society, but cause man from Winnipeg telling you, say, well, music not the impact or nothing, then alright, go on listen to them, they're the expert. Well, now if you understand the subtle messages behind certain things on hear and see. What these entertainers have done, they have now shamed modesty, especially public modesty, to the point where being a quote-unquote good girl is now disgusting. I'm telling you, you can make anything cool. Culture can make what is bad for you good, and what is good for you bad. Culture can do that. Media, entertainers, them can do that. As me say, I have to be realistic. Me can't sit down here and go on like a hypocrite and go on like, you know, come from the Buddhist monk background. Guy, understand the subtle messages, no man. The young man who made the video, where should the thumbnail come from? When him going to the studio that day, he must have sit down and say, I'm just going to say some outlandish things. And then, watch you know, people are going to boom and then watch you get a bus. Let me explain something to you, guy. You see what you do now is nothing new. The whole come out and be as risky as possible just to stir up a conversation and then go. In the end, we've seen it many times. None of that alone work. You need a whole lot more than that. Whole heap of man come out and say all kind of crazy things, talk about for 2 days and then that's it. Them you need to start focus on them craft. Up in them skills. So, me mention that because me know man I go sit down right now and say, oh yeah, but in the day, everybody talk about it, say don't know a thing work. Guy, you would be surprised how fast people can forget about an artist. Right, the same people that want to hype you up and talk about, yeah man, the thing bust dark, the whole people that talk about you right now. Them same people that 2 months from now. We laugh at fire and say a thing wanted on your flop. Remember, substance lasts longer than hype. But when you listen to the music, you realize that the entertainer, the puppet, film job is to make everything in the society turn upside down. Him big up Tesha, him big up Zeeks. Him make youth when they go jail feel like them a idiot. Until you lame, you never get a charge yet. What kind of idiot this? Never get one charge? Until you say you never kill nothing yet. Until you say you never fired the rifle and kill one granny so you're not a real killer. Until you say you don't even, you only have 2 duppy. That's what him tell the black youth. Everything them tell the black youth is to make crime and degeneracy and badness look appealing and draw them to it. Then them tell the black girl say, no one no shy she have to war out. Couldn't believe it when me hear it. DJ guy there. The Irish Saxon. Same one will say, you know, take long for him drop 8 jaws. The suit I go say, him no wanna shy. She have 4 road. Understand, they are now demonizing modesty. So the girl who is quote unquote shy, enough time when they hear them girl clown that talk about shy, what them really mean is the girl does not show themselves on them when they see them. Probably because the girl don't even find you attractive. Girl don't even like you. Them just think that you my DJ. Girl must have show nigga like on him. And go back up in one girl now and the girl don't even like him. So no him tell her, but you know, shy. She have to owe out because the girl that owe out will give anybody. At any time. And that's all them can get, really. You see, a female PIA member broke it down to me one time and it made so much sense. That's why, you know, everything, especially when it comes down to them topics, you have to have a female link. You have to hear from a female perspective because woman come from an angle as a man you can't see. They come from an angle where you're not even a meds. It's a female PIA member break it down from. Still look YouTuber. When you see enough of them DJ are going so, when you hear them talk about women certain way, deep down they resent women because before them boss they couldn't get none. It makes so much sense. The way them when they talk about women they can't love woman. That DJ guy there, Roger Wild, him can't tell me say him love woman. Not because somebody have sex with somebody that means they love them, you know, or care about them, you know. Remember say Thomas Tisselwood was having sex with black woman, even had a relationship with one for 30 years. Meanwhile, him rape her for much black woman thousands of times. None of them DJ boy, yeah. And by the way, none of them are closet sprat. But even the ones who are not, none of them actually love women, you know. Deep down they resent women. Because none of them, as the sister say, before them boss, they couldn't get none. And then now they go boss, them a get them by the hundreds. But them still have the resentment in them heart from back in the day when nobody never want them. So now, them attitude towards woman and how them want deal with woman, you sound like a one enemy them a talk about. When you hear DJ talk about, you know, take long film drop 8 jars and them something. Them you can't love woman. No one a shy chef or out. A girl they probably tell him, say, geez, before me give some nigga at least tell me a real name now. Cause me only need a DJ name. Tell me a real name first. Something. Immediately say, that girl a shy, that girl a shy girl. Not a girl a or out. We just hear say, we just walk off at the stage and walk in her eagle eye. So now any woman who have any kind of standard or modesty is repulsive, they're disgusting, they're unwanted. So now woman hear that and 2 things happen. One set I go say, well, alright, shy, quote unquote, shy out of style, so me a war out too. Or woman get even more militant and say, alright, me a go even double down now upon being quote unquote shy. What is shy guy? Let me explain something to me. Cause me say enough of them DJ boy. When me when I say look YouTuber bad mind DJ for girl. So my man them when me soon I say my bad mind for girl. If you don't laugh your ball. Your favorite artists them, most of them, woman never check for them before them boss. And you know that. You can take one look at your favorite artist and listen to your favorite artist and know say no woman never run him down. Lie Mattel. And if you ask him to show you him first, baby mother them, then look drastically different from the one them him have now since him quote unquote on star. Drastically different. But him thinks that him personality, why that happens? Get a little name and get a little money, him still bitter in him heart. Still bitter in him heart because him claims him a girl but him can't be no girl because if he was girl him would understand. Say, and every woman go like you. And not every woman go like you, and if a woman don't like you, so be it. Cut your losses and move on. But them girls couldn't take things to heart. Start harboring hatred. Start harboring resentment. But then, oh no, him go bust all of a sudden. Go on nice studio with him bitter heart, him dirty heart, still upset because the last 20 years of him life. The only nigga that he could have get was the girl him anybody could have get. Jamaican guy. Understand this. These DJs are making your daughters feel say them less than because them quote unquote shy. Any kind of modesty is now disgusting. What kind of girl that? I want to eat. It want come in like it shy. And that's how you know say them youth are really no know about a woman. Tell you say them just come in and think them new. Because anytime you hear a man tell about oh the girl is lame and the girl is boring and the girl is shy, that the man don't know nothing about woman. Or he come up, a blues him watch and read magazine, Playboy him read, he don't know about woman. Cause if he didn't know about woman, he don't know say that same girl was shy for you when she meet her man and she feel like okay, this is the man and she feels covered. And if you know what I mean by covered, I'm not talking about an umbrella. When she feel covered and she say right, this is the man, that same girl where you call shy can do everything where the girl where you say war out can do. It's just that she not do it for everybody. Them girl cloning don't know that. Them don't know say there's no such thing as no real shy. And they know that because they don't know about woman. And them just come and music me then get girl. When they go up on stage and be a girl and scream. They're not screaming for you, dummy. You take a look in the mirror where you think it changed. Nothing has changed. They're screaming about the personality that you have become with the artist name where you take up. That's who them a cheer for. You tune them. That's what them really like, you know. When them say that DJ them a man, and not really the physical person them a talk about. They're talking about the being that is in front of them, the star that's in front of them. Them meet them to get an eagle eye like that. It makes so much sense when the system break it down for me. But me I tell them to say, I saw it go for real. That's why I tell them say they don't want to shy. But me I tell them to say there's no such thing as no shy. Alright guys, let me explain something to you. This concept of the shy and a girl that lame, she's lame for you guy. But a man in her past or a man in her future will get her to do everything right where the girl will quote unquote all do. But the difference is 16,000 man from Spanish Town, Mobile and Kingston can't tell you about her. So now you get the impression that she's shy and she lame. And not say she can't do this and can't do that. She just don't want to do it with you. Enough people have it to say, them girl are over here. And by the way, this is a topic I covered on Patreon already. I have a program named Big People Can who talk about them things over there. So people from Patreon Squad will hear me talk about this already. Years now we talk about this on Patreon Squad. But enough people have it to say some woman where they might see get up every day just like professional, or she might look like a quote unquote boring housewife, or you might see her just certain way and you have to, boy, she look boring. You'll ask the question then how she get that man there now? What you see now? Oh, you better ask that question because when night time come and fear door lock and she say pitting them gone on them bed, you better believe it's Hurricane Gilbert in that room. So enough girl will quote unquote oral, enough girl will have them name across all 14 parishes. Tell us, oh, them girl are lame man, because I'm an eagle eye, look at this, me get and I'm DJ, I talk about me and them don't want a boring girl. What is your definition of boring? Why? Because you pull up on her and clocks me, you put on she not instantly drop her panty. Because you pull up on her with the crown and she not flinch. But these entertainers are hell-bent on demonizing modesty, any kind of self-restraint. As I say, people can have them fun, but there's a time and a place for everything. And surely this can't be it. Now it don't even sound like music anymore. Now it just sound repulsive. Since you claim you're so talented, talk about something else now. Everybody is this great artist and all the arts sound the same. There's like a million topics and they must talk about the same three things. And going back to well see stream, point out to me say, if them DJ anyway to get girl. That makes sense why them talk about certain things, so, you know. When you hear them talk about certain things the woman do them, the reason why them are going so are because I'm gonna say new to them. Especially considering them get it so often, it's just new to them. Just like Smaddy who is new to him. Something like AC in a car new to him. So every day you go hear him talk about AC in a car. And for sure you say Jamaicans are really some of the fakest, you know, God loving, God fearing people you can find. It hit. This type of the death, destruction and debauchery hit in Ironman for a reason because it connects with the people. If things they were saying never connect with the people, then the song them couldn't go, then the artist them wouldn't take off so much. Guy, if you're going to one vegan community and start tell man about curry goat and pork, you're not going to be the most popular guy around. It's going to be real uncomfortable pulling up to the vegan convention with a keg full of fried chicken. And I say, yeah, go hand it out to everybody. It's not going to end well. These DJs can do this in Ironman and it work because that's the Ironman people. Whatever the death, destruction and debauchery soaking in them systems so much now that it has become so normal that things like this connect with them. One time people would be flabbergasted if them hear a man say him no want to shy for Oro. When they hear me tell them already me hear Shensia sing song and talk about, I'm like, it's strange for your woman to talk so. The woman them sound like the man them. The woman them I say them that depend on they just want touch and go and after you get the eagle eye don't call them back and go and do your business. That sound like how man used to talk. Society is upside down. The world has gone mad. The men are effeminate and the women are masculine. The man them walk up and down and look smarty for mind them. And the woman them I say, oh, Mr. Hustle and get my money and just take a one touch off a boy and go and do my business. Nothing call him back. This is insanity. I'm telling you, the West is done. The West is done. I've got to find one little place in the bush, far out in the east somewhere. Way down in a Kushunkung. Right? Way down, I'm not talking about Guzungu, I'm talking about Kushunkung. Way out somewhere down near the coast of East Africa somewhere. The West is done. Until we get a new crop of DJs, new crop of media, and we can reset back the thing, because them because them are the power to do it. Them are the most powerful people. Media entertainers, them are the most powerful people. Do you think it's coincident that the society where a song where a man is saying no one a shy for world also lead the world in jacket pitney? Guy. Do you think it's coincidence that the country where the woman them a say a hit and run them depend and the man them a say they don't want a shy for world, they don't want a shy for world. It's just, you think it's a surprise that that nation lead the world in jacket pitney? You think it's an accident? Alright, me have a unicorn to tell you. Ladies and Gen Z Jezebels, cause since no one are calling themselves Gen Z Jezebels, I guess as them say you must call people by their correct pronouns. Well, some people pronouns is Jezebel, according to them. Understand this. I've said this in many videos before. One of the reasons why when I get away with saying certain things and doing certain things, I don't really get much pushback, is because man still want an eagle eye. When you keep a complaint say men don't value you as much as they used to. When you keep a point to the old days, I post some old 90s R&B song and some old time something and I talk about back in a grandma days and back in a grandma days. In a grandma days, the man never say him no want a shy chef or road. And ores did exist them time they too. One if not listen to me. Well, the thing back in the old days, everybody was just so sanctimonious. No, all type of woman did exist them time there. But your grandfather When you look at your grandmother, if you say you go lock down with and build family with, ladies, let me explain something to you. Ladies, let me explain something to you. Some man love go and like say them want, downplay the beauty of the female body. Me can't do it. When woman look good. And a cute way you want to be, you could be a Buddhist monk, you have to turn around. You have to turn around and you have to give credit where credit is due. But let me explain something to you, ladies. Let me explain something to you. No care what you look like, you can't last. You can't last. In the end, only substance will remain. And you keep a complaint, say, these new men don't value women like they used to. Let me explain to you how value works. Not just in relationship, but even in economics. Value. What is value? And how is value often determined? Read this. It all comes down to supply and demand. Supply and demand. In the old days, people just weren't exposed to as much, I guess you could say skin. Because phone and internet never the board. So, you get to see the whole world and where every girl look like from every corner of the world. So back then, right, a woman's presence meant more. Because it was scarce. It was just which part you come from or which part you go work. But now you can go to your phone and you can have a cyber relationship with somebody who live in our next country. We you never meet. Me not talk about a long distance relationship. Me not talk about somebody we never meet in your life. You just go up on our page, like our page, and people are now building mental relationships with people them never even talked in their life. This oversupply of skin has reduced the value of said skin. Let me say one more time. The oversupply of skin and flesh has lowered the value of said skin and flesh. You can scroll 2 minutes on your phone without seeing what is borderline blues. In economics, supply put downward pressure upon price and value. In other words, when the supply get too great, the price go down in a worth as much. Well, the same thing happen in a man and woman thing. Well, the same thing happen right across the board. Too much supply lowers value. So because skin and flesh and the debauchery and the hedonistic lifestyle is so oversupplied, now the value has gone down. So that's why when women say them man don't really value woman like them used to, have a guess why. The value on skin was so high back in the day that man used to smuggle all 1 2-page out of one magazine. If you smuggle it like a Diet Coke. The female body has been mass marketed for so long that now when you see a woman and she look a certain way, people are wondering, what to she? Now even normal things look lame. No man, she boring. When you look here and say, well, there's nothing boring about woman, but just compare to standards now. You can argue that, end of the day, I can do whatever I want to do because it's my body. That's fine, but just make sure you're willing to deal with the consequences, which is the lower perceived value because of the oversupply of skin. And me tell Carlton already said, don't make no woman who sit down and make DJ call her it. Tell you say you must call her a queen. As me say, in an acidic environment, everything is reversed. No one shy, she have to worry out. One defecating at the eyeball. People can do what they want to do. I don't business what no man and woman want in them yard. But when time when you carry the thing public, it becomes a public conversation now. So don't tell me don't talk about this and talk about that because in a day mind business. No, it can't be mind business if it's public. It will be mind business if me put one camera in your room and I watch it. You and your woman and then I talk about it. Then they can say mind business. But when they can't throw blues out there and when time man react to blues, you're not going to tell them man about mind business. And that's how it work, guy. If you carry your blues come on TV in your music video, we're going to talk about it. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.